Hi guys, Sean here from easysimplesystem.com. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the Ninja Chat GPT prompts that is really going to help you out in your everyday life and anything else you would like to achieve via Chat GPT. By the way, you will be 1% of those people who will use those prompts and get the maximum out of Chat GPT. Having said that, let's get started. Let me just add the first prompt right here. Okay, the first prompt is basically simplify the complex information. Let's say there is a complex information. I would want ChatGPT to give it to us into a smaller and easier to understand parts. It is really going to save us time and help us understand better whatever the problem we are facing and whatever we are trying to learn, as a matter of fact. So here, break down the insert your topic into smaller, easier to understand parts. Use analogies and real life example to simplify the concept and make it more relatable. Okay, so relatable, all right, that's fine. So insert your topic. So we are going to insert our topic here. So that was actually for the your understanding for you guys. So I'm just going to remove it, and here I'm going to add the topic. Let's say I want to learn Python programming language and I want ChatGPT to create a framework for me into a smaller and easy to understand parts, so I can understand better as compared to anybody else who's going out to want to learn Python, and they're trying to learn everything in a whole. They will not be able to understand the whole concept of the Python as compared to what I'm going to put down here and what kind of smaller pieces I will get right in front of you. All right, so let me just add right here Python programming language, and let's just launch that prompt. Sure, let's break down the Python programming language into smaller and easy to understand parts. As you can see that it start creating the small parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. What are the operators? What are the logical operators, control flow, loops, and each and everything. So this is very, very cool. Okay, so this is a cool prompt. You are not going to get that output if you're just going to add a generic prompt into ChatGPT. So this is a very, very cool prompt. All right, guys, save this, stop this video right here, pause it, and you can actually copy and paste this prompt and start using it. You guys are going to love it. Let's move on to the second prompt. Okay, second prompt is all about learn from mistakes. So I'm just going to remove that, and let's see what it says. I made a mistake while practicing. Insert your skill, whatever we are learning. Okay, and then we can say, can you explain what went wrong and how I can avoid making the same mistakes in the future? So here, whatever the skill I'm learning, I'm just going to add skill here. You can add any skill you like and just play around with this prompt. You are going to be mesmerized with the results you guys will be getting. So I'm just going to simply type here bicycling. Let's say I'm assuming that I made a mistake while practicing bicycling. I'm learning to ride a bicycle, and let's see what ChatGPT is actually give me the response to that. Okay, let's launch that prompt and let's see what ChatGPT is going to give it to us. Okay, of course, I would be happy to help you identify the mistakes you made while bicycling. Here you go, guys. Take a look. Take a look, guys. I mean, this is an incredible prompt. It is going to save you a lot of time instead of just trial and error and going through not only bicycling, as a matter of fact, anything you are learning, and you can actually add that prompt and ChatGPT is literally going to help you out. Okay, prompt number 3 is all about memorize key information. What are the most important facts, dates, or formulas related to insert your topic? I'm going to insert my topic in a while. Help me create a memorization technique or remember them easily. You can add math formulas, as a matter of fact, a math question you can inside your topic, history and arts and crafts, or anything related to dates and formulas, or anything happened in the past, big events happened in the past. ChatGPT will be able to help you out and memorize you the key information, help you to memorize the key information. So I'm going to insert my topic here. I simply add my topic American Revolutionary War, and I'm going to launch that prompt, and it's basically ChatGPT should be able to give me, as you can see, that give me the key facts about that American Revolutionary War, give me the key dates as well, then the memorization techniques, acronyms and all that. So this is really, really cool. As you can see that it gave me the dates, what exactly happened on that day, Battle of Yorktown, 4th of July, Declaration of Independence, American Revolutionary Wars, 1775 to 1783, which is very, very cool. You can read some facts as well. So this is a really, really cool prompt if you really want to memorize some key information about the topic that you are interested in. Okay, the prompt number 4 is very, very cool. It is really going to help you to get the style of anybody you like, anybody who's writing a persuasive copywriting. You can get their style, their tone and their copywriting style, and you can add it into your own copy that you have written, and it is going to actually write or mimic the same copy into their style, make it more persuasive, powerful, and definitely you're going to get more sale as compared to if you're writing, if you're just say, I should say, if you're just a beginner writer and if you don't know really about writing right now, you can copy that prompt and you can get the most out of copywriting. Okay, so train AI to learn your writing. Take a look, guys. Analyze the text below for style, voice, and tone. Create a prompt to write a new paragraph in the same style, voice, and tone, right? So insert your text here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go one of these sales pages. So I'm not going to copy too much, but I'm just going to copy a little bit just to show you the power of this prompt. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back to ChatGPT and insert your text. What ChatGPT is going to do, ChatGPT is going to analyze the style, voice, and tone of this text, and it is going to give me a new paragraph into the same style, write, and font tone I'm looking for. Okay, so take a look. Now it is style, voice, and tone analysis. Now it is analyzing and all that. Now prompt to write a new paragraph in the same style and font, and the paragraph I used before, ChatGPT using the same paragraph but writing it in a new tone, guys, new style. So what we can do here, we can add a new paragraph which will be a follow-up paragraph into that. Now the new paragraph, the follow-up paragraph should be like, now you understand the writing style, tone, and voice. Write the following paragraph in the same style, tone, and voice. Insert your text right here. So since ChatGPT already analyzed the tone, voice, and the writing style from the previous prompt, now I want to add my own paragraph. So ChatGPT actually, let's say I'm writing a sales page or any other copy I'm writing, here I'm going to give that paragraph. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze the previous prompt, copy, tone, and style, and it is going to add it here. How cool is that? So in order to do that, I'm going to go to one of my Udemy sales pages. This is one of my product is selling very good. I got 23 enrollment this month. Green Mafia, the laziest business model to make money online. So we're gonna click on edit an image, and I'm gonna go to the landing page and course landing page, and I'm going to copy some of the text from here so it can be written into the same tone, voice, and style. Let me just, as a matter of fact, let me just select that all and let me copy that, and let's go back to ChatGPT, and right here I'm going to paste it right here, and let's press enter, and it is going to create a new paragraph for me into the style the previously ChatGPT pick up and realize the font style and writing style and each and everything. As you guys can see that, right? I can break down all these writing copies and I can see how exactly it has been written, but previously I checked it out and it was very cool, so much better than the original copy I have written, as you can see that. Okay, so this is how you can train ChatGPT to pick up any writing style, design, and style and the voice and make it your own, guys. This is how you can train the ChatGPT. Okay, let's move on to our fifth and final prompt. Okay, the final prompt is basically prompt number 5. Apply your knowledge to solve problems, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this and let's check this out. Use your knowledge of, insert your topic. We are going to insert our topic right here to solve a real world problem. Explain your thoughts, process, and share your solution. How cool is that? So here we are going to add topic. You can play around, add any topic and see how ChatGPT is going to give you a memorable responses. So I am going to add my topic here is why people fight. Okay, let's launch this prompt. Now ChatGPT is going to use their own knowledge and understand the reason, thought process, why people is actually fight. Actually, check a look, guys. Okay, it's a cool prompt, guys. It is not only going to go to the thought process of the people, why they fight according to our topic, it is going to give you the solution as well. Take a look, guys. I mean, this is really cool prompt. I personally love it. Take a look. If you read through it, you will be mesmerized. First of all, look at the thought process. It giving you the thought process why people is basically fight. Okay, now give you all that information, and then after that it start giving you the solution as well. Okay, what are the solution if that happens into your life? If you see someone is fighting, you can actually meditate into that solution, guys. How cool is that? So these are the 5 prompts. I hope you are going to love it. If you find some value in this video, give it a like and thumbs up. I will speak to you soon in my next video. Take care.